Food is like a time machine that allows you to step back into your past feelings. It's incredible how the scent of a dish can transport you back to your childhood in an instant. What I never told you is that your dishes brought me back to a time in my childhood that I tried to bury. I didn't want to look back at it because it was too painful. That's why I could never tell you about it. But being with you and cooking with you showed me that I had to face the past. The past is an ingredient that makes me the person I am today. You set me free, Maya. I hope that if you know my truth, you will understand why I did what I did and be able to forgive me. This is my story, which keeps leading back to you.
Hello, you like? It's very good. You try it. Quickly. I made this. Bilis, it's yummy. You know, I am sure you will like this. You will come here every day because of this.
Parang Pasko.
Pag nilagyan mo ng pagmamahal ang iyong luto, hindi lang tiyan ang kaya mong busugin, kundi pati ang puso. Kayang-kayang pasahin ng pagkain ang kahit sino mang nalulumbay. Bumubuti ang pakiramdam nila. Ang pagkain ay isang damdamin.